Spectacular scenery and ancient woodland await you at Longleat Forest. Situated in the beautiful Longleat Estate, it's the perfect escape for nature lovers. With breathtaking views courtesy of the rolling hills and valleys, this is the perfect location for a Wiltshire break. Rare 100-year-old giant redwood trees line the village. It's a big place to explore, so to help you get around, you can take the land train back to your lodge. Perfect for helping you navigate the village with little ones. Your choice of places to eat, there's something for everyone, even those fussy eaters. Unwind at our brand new forest spa at Aquasana Spa with its one-of-a-kind forest cavern. Climb and play at the Sports Plaza. Dive into good times at our Subtropical Swimming Paradise. Watch your little ones splash about in Wiltshire Harbour and Wiltshire Bay, and for the older ones, the Rapids. Your lodge will have everything you'll need. The perfect place to relax and spend quality family time together and leave feeling refreshed.